Hi! In this video, I'll show you in detail how gesture controls work on the Realme C83 smartphone. Learn how to scroll through TikTok, change music, and answer calls without even touching the screen.